students, today's topic is force. In simple word, the action of push or pull of an object is called force. Now we will see the effects of force. A force can make a stationary object move. A force can increase the speed of a moving object. A force can decrease the speed of a moving object. A force can stop a moving object. A force can change the direction of the moving object. Then, a force can change the shape and size of an object. So I repeat. First, force can make a stationary object move. Second, force can change the speed of a moving object. Third, force can make a moving object stop. Fourth, force can change the direction of motion of a moving object. And fifth, force can change the shape or size of an object. Hope you like this video.